Unlocking the meaning of stay on the lookout. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase that pops up in conversations, movies, and books. Stay on the lookout. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding these phrases deeply enriches your language skills. Let's unravel its meaning together and see how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, stay on the lookout, is an idiomatic expression that means to remain vigilant or watchful for something or someone. It's used when you're expecting something to happen or someone to arrive, and you need to be alert to notice when it does. This can be due to anticipation, caution, or the need to act quickly once the thing you're looking out for occurs. Let's break it down a bit. Stay, to remain in a particular state. On the indicates that the action is ongoing or continuous. Lookout, a person or position whose task is to watch for something to happen. When combined, these words encourage someone to continuously observe or be ready for a specific event or person. To help you understand better, here are a few examples. In anticipation, stay on the lookout for the mail today. Your package might arrive. For safety, when hiking in this area, stay on the lookout for wild animals. Opportunity seeking, we need to stay on the lookout for any new market trends. Understanding phrases like, stay on the lookout, not only helps you become more fluent but also enables you to grasp the nuances of English. It enriches your vocabulary, making you sound more like a native speaker, and helps you understand context in conversations, literature, and media. We hope this exploration of stay on the lookout has been enlightening. Phrases like these add color and depth to your English, making your communication more vivid and engaging. Keep practicing, stay curious, and as always, stay on the lookout for more learning opportunities. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Happy learning!